Hi, everyone. I'm going to show you now the best way if you want to do a coupon or a discount if people buy multiple items. Etsy really isn't set up to do that, but you can set up coupons to do it. And the problem then just becomes getting people the coupon codes, but there are places you can put that. So let's go into my Etsy shop. I'm going to show you how to do that and we'll see how to set it up. All right, we're in my marketing tab and that's over here. I do everything on desktop. You can do this in the app. Some things you can't do on the app. So just do this on desktop. It's a lot easier. Apps are limited. Okay, so we'll go to the marketing tab. You're going to click sales and discounts and it takes you to this page. Now you're going to go down here and we're going to create a promo code. The promo code is you're going to have to set up however many you have for this specific purpose. You can't really do this in variations because you could put a variations like buy one, get 10% off, and then do a different price. And I just did a video about variations and how to set different prices. The problem with that is that the variation only applies to that specific listing and that specific item. It's like one item at a time. So they would have to be buying 2 or 3 or 4 of the same thing. And there are limitations with doing it this way, like with the number of the types of items. Like you can't do a percentage off, like a buy one, get one, because unless everything in your shop is the same price, it's not really going to work. It's a strange system. It just has limitations. All right. So the best way to do this, if you want to say, if you buy 2 things, you're going to get 10% off. If you buy 3 things, you're going to get 20% off, is to do separate percentage off discounts. So we're going to do percentage off, 10% off on the number of items. Okay, you could do on order total if you want to do that, but I would just do it on number of items. So let's say if you buy 3 things, you get 10% off. Okay, you're then going to click no end date because you don't need to run this as a sale. You want this to be a coupon that just sits in your shop and it works forever. You're going to give the coupon a name. You're going to click review and confirm, approve it, and then come back here and do another one. Okay, so the second one you're going to do is going to be 20% off if you buy 4 things, say. And clearly this is up to you, what percentage and the number of things, but this is how you would set it up. Again, no end date, give it a name, review and confirm. That's your second coupon. The third coupon, again, whatever percentage off you want, the number of items you have to buy before you get that discount, no end date, review and confirm. You have to give it a name. And then you have 3 coupons. After that, you're going to take those 3 coupons, you're going to put them on a little infographic that you put in the second listing photo slot so that people see it. You can either do this or you can add it to the shop banner, the about section, the announcement, wherever you want to put it. You can put it in the listing itself. You can put it in every listing using the listing bulk editor in the listing section, but you want to put this everywhere that you can, just so that people see the coupons. Okay, so it should say something like buy 2 items, get 10% off, buy 3 items, get 20% off with the coupon codes, like save 10, save 20, whatever it is. And you're going to take that, put it, like I said, everywhere you can. I would do a little square graphic and put it in the second listing photo if you don't have that many things. And that way they can use that coupon when they see it in the listing photos. They can use that coupon when they check out, and you have it set up to give them a percentage if they buy a certain number of things. There is no way really to set this up in variations, like I said, because that only applies to one item, and they would have to buy multiples of that one item. But if you want to give people a discount if they buy more than one thing from your shop in general, you're going to have to do this on a shop-wide basis. And so for that, you really need to set up a coupon that they can type in at checkout. So that's how you do that. Leave me any questions, give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later.